Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Structure of the atom, electromagnetic spectrum is the subtopic. Magnetic spectrum. You can see here the arrangement is there. It is the arrangement of different wavelengths and frequencies in a increasing or decreasing order. You can see here this is the frequency. The frequency is a decreasing order. Frequency decreasing order, left to right. Here wavelength increasing order. Wavelength lambda increasing order. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. The first line is electromagnetic radiation. That radiation arranged in the increasing or decreasing order, that is called spectrum. This is the spectrum now. In this spectrum, a small region, this is the visible spectrum. This is the visible region also we can say, visible spectrum. So we can able to see this beautiful world. All the things are emitting the light in between 400 to 750 nanometer. In between 400 to 750 nanometer. Then only these things we can able to watch. Suppose many times you observe that remote control is working, TV remote or any remote control, but the light you cannot able to see, okay, but that is working. That means the light, generally IR rays, these IR rays are beyond your level. That's why we cannot able to see that rays. Even microwave generally it looks like a empty box, but it is generating heat. Okay, that waves also we unable to see. X-rays, gamma rays, these are highly energetic rays. These are energy less. Even our cell phone signals, radio, TV signals are coming. It's a long wavelength, less energetic waves. Okay, these are the spectrum meaning. The spectrum, this is the electromagnetic spectrum, EMR. The visible spectrum is a part of the EMR. Now, the spectrum, when a radiation is passed through a spectroscope, that means prism, for the dispersion of the radiation, the pattern or photograph obtained on the screen, that is photographic plate, is called spectrum of the given radiation. Spectrum of the given radiation. You watch many experiments, generally in the lower classes we will do that. We will keep one prism here, then this light is splitting into Vibgyor colors. So Vibgyor color means these all colors we are getting. Vibgyor, right? So this plate is called spectrum now. This plate is called spectrum. It is also one photographic plate we can say. Okay. Now, spectroscope means the prism is called spectroscope, which is used for spectrum, that is spectroscope. Spectroscopy means the subject which deals all these spectrum. Spectroscopy. One more is there. Spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is a subject. Like chemistry mein ek part hai. It is one subject. Now, classification of spectrum. This classification of spectrum mainly two types: emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. What is emission? What is absorption? Step by step we will learn clearly. In the emission spectrum, again, continuous spectrum, line spectrum, band spectrum. In the absorption spectrum, line spectrum and band spectrum is there. When these spectrums are forming, we will discuss. First, emission spectrum. What is the emission spectrum? When the radiation emitted from the incandescent source example, from the candle, sun, tube light, burner, bulb, or by passing electric discharge through a gas at low pressure by heating some substance at high temperature is passed directly through the prism and then received on the screen, then the obtained spectrum is called as emission spectrum. Have you understood or not? We are taking light. The light is falling on the sample XYZ compound. Okay, now it is undergoing excited state. So now we are stopping this light. Now you stop it. Now we are stopping this light. These excited substance now radiating energy. Now it is radiating energy. This energy sending through the prism and it is giving some spectrum. This is called emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. The note point is here, note. Here this light is absent. Light is absent. Whenever we are taking this spectrum, the light is absent. The light means the source of the light is absent. Okay, only the sample is emitting the light. Example, radium. Radium is there. So the radium sticker, generally you can see that radium stars are there and moon. Okay, some other different stars are there on the radium. So this radium is absorbing the light after some in the dark, in the night time, in the absence of light, it is emitting the light. It is emitting the light. This light is called emission light. This light is called emission light. This emission light, if you send through the prism, okay, whatever we are getting here, the plate, this is the emission spectrum. This is the emission spectrum. Is it clear? Emission spectrum. Similarly, another absorption spectrum is there. Absorption spectrum may source light I am taking here. This light is moving or passing through the sample. So then this light is emitting here and sending through the prism. Then here we are getting one spectrum. This is called absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. Note point is here, note point here, light is present, the source of light is present. In the emission spectrum, the source of light is stopped. But here, the source of light is there. Suppose here, example, 100 to 200 continuously, 100, 101, 102, 103 like that, 100 to 200 nanometer light is emitting this source. Here it may be 150 to 170 light is absorbed by this sample. So wherever this light इसमें एक जगह पे काली हो जाएगा. This area is blank. So that is means black color. Why? Which area is that? That is relevant to 150 to 170 nanometer light. The light is not giving any color. Why? Because 150 to 170 nanometer light is absorbed by this sample. The remaining light only giving the colors. That's why here the maximum is colorful. Some dark lines are there. Few dark lines which are belongs to this absorption. Okay, in the emission में क्या होता है? Emission में maximum black because which is received this light, that light only giving few colorful lines, few color lines, few color lines. These are belongs to which are absorbed here, which are observed here. Now it is emitting, now it is emitted. Okay, this is the main difference between absorption and emission spectrum. Suppose if you combine this, absorption spectrum and emission spectrum, absorption and emission spectrum, if you combine this, you will get completely continuous spectrum. Continuous spectrum, you will get it. Continuous spectrum, all Vibgyor colors will be there. All colors. All colors. Nothing is missing. Okay? So this is the main basic for this spectrums, continuous and absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. Okay, now you understood this emission spectrum means. Now you can see here emission continuous spectrum or continuous spectrum. So narrow beam of white light passing through the prism, it is giving continuous. Vibgyor colors is giving violet color and red color. Violet color frequency is more, wavelength is less. Wavelength is less, frequency is more. So lower frequency scattered more, scattering more. Okay, this is the less frequency scattering less. That's why it can travel more distance. It is not scattered easily. That's why we are using red color in the signals, danger signal, as a danger signal, because it should reach more distance whatever weather condition is there. Even in the moisture type, humidity is there, even though this red light can travel more distance. Now, this is the continuous spectrum, right? Next, emission line spectrum. Emission line spectrum, just now I already explained, light is there, okay, these atomic gas is excited, then we are stopping this light, okay, this excited light, excited particles or electrons, while de-exciting, it is releasing some energy. This releasing energy is passing through the prism and giving one spectrum. So this is the line spectrum. Okay, here few wavelengths are missing. When atomic gas is raised to incandescent source or subjected to electrical excitation, it first absorbs energy, then gives it out as radiation, and examining this radiation through a spectroscope, a spectrum is obtained which have well-defined lines, each corresponding to a definite wavelength, and these lines are separated from each other by dark space. This type of emission spectrum is called as emission line spectrum. Understood now? It is absorbing light first, then while emitting this light passing through the prism and giving some lights. So these lines, these energies are absorbed previously by this gas. Okay, next, special note here, no two elements will have identical line spectrum, since no two elements have identical energy level. Therefore, the line spectrum of the elements are described as the fingerprints differing from each other, like the fingerprints of the human beings. Okay, so based on these spectral lines, we can identify that easily what is that compound. In the given compound, which molecules are there, easily we can identify. Nowadays, you may heard about in the airport the cocaine and morphine, some drugs they caught. Okay, so just how they will find it, is it morphine or cocaine or something? Just they will take some small milligrams of sample, they will keep it in the computer, so it will detect, it will give the spectrum and it will give the name of the substance also, like that. Since line spectrum is obtained by the emission of energy through the atoms of the element, therefore line spectrum is also called as atomic spectrum. This line spectrum is also known as atomic spectrum. Next, emission band spectrum. वो given substance में suppose molecules are there, what will happen? Same explanation, but instead of lines we are getting bands. Band means the bunch of lines only. See here, band means some range. If a molecular form of gas is used, it first absorbs for not only electron transition but for rotational, vibrational and transitional, then emits the radiation. See, in the molecule में क्या होता है? In the atom में just hydrogen is there, electron. This electron is excited. Okay, this electron falling down, energy releasing. Okay, this is the atomic spectrum. But suppose carbon dioxide molecule is there. Carbon dioxide molecule. इसमें तो electron है already. As well, this molecule is there. This molecule C double bond O, C double bond O. It has vibrational energies. It has rotational. Okay, so rotational, vibrational and different energy levels are there. That's why it is releasing different energy. Okay, so it is giving band spectrum. It is giving band spectrum. So final conclusion is atoms are giving line spectrum, molecules are giving band spectrum. Since band spectrum are caused by molecule, therefore band spectrum are also called as molecular spectrum. Next, absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. In this absorption spectrum, when white light is first passed through a solution or various chemical substances or gas, then analyzed by spectroscope, it is observed that some dark lines are obtained in the otherwise continuous spectrum. This type of spectrum is called absorption spectrum. See here, it may be observed some of the light here, dark line, suppose the VIBGYOR. Okay, VIBGYOR range is maybe 300, 350 to 400 nanometer. 350 to 400 nanometer light is absorbed by this gas. That's why here there is no such light. 350 to 400 frequency, wavelength, relevant color is not showing here. That's why it is black color. Okay. As well here, it may be VIBGYOR, means green and yellow color also it is absorbed. That's why here there is no color. Okay, this is the thing. If a white light is passed through atomic gas, then obtained spectrum is called absorption line spectrum. If white light is passed through a molecular gas, then obtained spectrum is called absorption band spectrum. If you take the molecules, band spectrum. If you take atoms, line spectrum you are getting. Hydrogen line spectrum or hydrogen spectrum. In the hydrogen spectrum, when an electric excitation is applied on atomic hydrogen gas at low pressure, bluish light is emitted. When a ray of this light is passed through a prism, a spectrum of several isolated sharp lines are obtained. The wavelength of various lines show that spectrum lines light in visible, ultraviolet, infrared. These lines are grouped into different series. See what happened actually, whenever the light is passing through the hydrogen gas, then this hydrogen gas is giving, this light, emitted light is passing through the prism and they took some spectrums. This is the spectrum. So in this spectrum so many lines are coming. The question is here, see, electron has only one electron in the hydrogen, so it should come only one line. Why it's coming different lines? From around 1850 or 1830 से ये doubt है, but no one explained this. Okay, later when Bohr's atomic model was there, in the Bohr's atomic model he told that yes, only one electron is there, but this electron, if you give more energy, it is jumping into this level. From this level to this electron, it may come from direct from that level to lower level. It may come to step by step. From here to here सीधा आ सकते, इधर तक आके इधर भी आ सकते. So these many variations are there. So these many different lines are coming. Okay, they observed in this spectrum different lines. Okay, why these lines are there? Different wavelength. So he explained like this. So you can see here hydrogen spectrum. हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम में फर्स्ट दे ऑब्जर्व विजिबल रीजन में कुछ लाइंस that is discovered by Balmer scientist. So now it is known as Balmer series. First he discovered in the visible region. Same experiments done by different scientists. So one of the scientists, Lyman, he observed same type of lines in the UV region also. So how he came to know UV region? Same experiment he did in the UV chamber. Okay, UV chamber experiment में he observed some lines. Those lines are not visible in the normal light. So that's why UV region में Lyman series he observed. That is Lyman series. So explanation is same. Different energy level से first shell में आ रहे. Here different energy level से second level में आ रहे. So here energy gap, the energy level is different. So frequency also different. These lines frequency is approximately 350 to 750 range. That's why we are able to watch these lines in the normal light. And as well, some other scientists, Paschen, Brackett, Pfund, these three scientists discovered some lines in the IR region. Okay, Humphrey also. Okay, for IR region and IR region, Brackett series, Paschen series, infrared. Okay, so these scientists also they discovered different series. The main explanation is from different energy level to this energy level is coming. Third level, fourth level, fifth level में. Okay, these are all IR region. ये Humphrey वाला it's not important. It's okay if you know the name, that's enough. Now you can see that some more explanation here. Lyman series. In the Lyman series, we observed in the UV region. Okay, what's happening there? The electron is jumping from different energy level to first energy level. First energy level में आ रहा है मतलब 2 से above, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash से first level में आ रहा है. That is a Lyman series. When from different energy level मतलब 2 से above, 3, 4, 5 dash, उससे electron if it is falling into second energy level, then that is visible in the visible region. It is discovered by Balmer series. Similar explanation, if the electron is falling into third shell, we are getting Paschen series, then Brackett, then Pfund, then Humphrey. Okay, these are the final energy levels. These are the initial मतलब sixth energy level से suppose electron falling into fifth energy levels. What is this? Number of lines. Okay. We are talking about number of lines. How many number of lines are forming? So we have one formula. We can discuss that. Next. Questions based on spectrum. Questions based on spectrum. Question number 1. In a hydrogen spectrum, if electron moves from 7th to 1 orbit by transition in multi-steps, then find out the total number of lines in the spectrum. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th say suppose first में आ रहा है, it is a 1 probability. नहीं तो 7th से फर्स्ट में आके देन कंटिन्यूसली इधर तक आ रहे, 2 second probability. Third line is forming, so 4th, then 5th, then 6th. Okay, so 6 lines are there from 7th to 1st. 6 lines are there. Simply I can write the formula n1 minus 1. The first shell में आ रहे. Suppose for coming to second shell 5, coming to third shell 4, coming to fourth shell 3, coming to fifth shell 2, coming to sixth shell only 1 probability. इधर से इधर आने के लिए तो only 1 probability. So like this, all probabilities, if you count it, total 21 is there. So 21 lines are forming. If you take the spectrum here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that, 21 lines are forming here. Okay. So electron is on the 7th shell. 7th से 1 आने के लिए 21 probabilities are there. That's why 21 lines are forming. So every time no need to do these all things. One formula is there. Just you can write this n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. Here what is the n2? 7. 7 minus 1 into 7 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is the plus 1. So here 6 into 6 plus 1 by 2, that means 3 into 7, that is 21. Okay, so similarly you can do some other questions, and one more question you can see here. In a hydrogen spectrum, if electron move from 6th to 2nd by transition in multiple steps by number of lines in the spectrum. 6th to 2, you can write it 6 minus 2, then 6 minus 2 plus 1, we can say. 6 minus 2 means 4, so by 2 करना पड़ेगा. 6 minus 2 means 4, 4 into 6 minus 2, 4 into 4 plus 1, that is 5, by 2, that means 10. You can see. So like this, you can calculate how many lines are forming. Then next, calculate the frequency of the last line of the Lyman series in hydrogen spectrum. Lyman series कहाँ होता है? First shell होता है. ठीक है? These are the shells. N equal to 1. It is the first shell. What is asking here? Lyman series. Calculate the frequency of last line. So first line means here. Second line is this one. Third line is this one. Fourth line is this one. Last line means it is coming from infinity. It is coming from infinity to first. Okay. Whenever this type of lines are there, to calculate the frequency or lambda or nu bar, one formula is there. Rydberg, he given the formula. Nu bar equal to nu bar wave number, nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, that equal r z square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula. R. Here R is the Rydberg constant. The Rydberg constant value last time we discussed, that is 1, 10, 9, 9 को उल्टा करो 6, then 7, then 8. Okay, this is also you can use 678 ko approximately you took that 700. Okay, you will get almost same value, but this is the correct value. Next, just you apply the formula. Now R, calculate the frequency of the line of the Lyman series of hydrogen atom, last line. So 1 by n1 square. n1 is final, this n2 is initial. Okay, फाइनल कहाँ आ रहे हैं, 1 में आ रहे हैं, माइनस 1 बाई इनिशियल कहाँ से शुरू होता, वो 1 बाई इन्फिनिटी, 1 बाई इन्फिनिटी स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स नथिंग बट 0. ओके, 1 बाई 1 माइनस 0, दैट मीन्स यू गॉट इट ओनली R. व्हाट इज द R वैल्यू? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 109700 centimeter inverse. This is the nu bar that equal to 1 by lambda. If you want nu equal to what is that formula? Nu equal to c by lambda. Then I can write c by lambda को c into 1 by lambda लिख सकते हैं. Then 1 by lambda value is this one. Just you substitute those values into light velocity c. C equal 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here it is meter is there, here centimeter is there. Just you convert, either it is in the meter or it is in the centimeter. So I am taking in the centimeter second. Then 3.29 into 10 power 15 second inverse. Frequency unit is second inverse. Okay, like that you can calculate even frequency also. Okay, then yeah, this is the homework. Calculate wavelength of third line of bracket series in hydrogen spectrum. One hint is given, bracket series में N1 क्या है, N2 क्या है is given. Then do it and send the solution of this question. Okay, bye. Thank you.